Hi everyone, Usher Steve here. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how we can enable Windows subsystem for Linux for the developers or backend operators. So let's dive in. So first of all, we just have to see the version, your Windows version. So you can press Windows R and then you can just write here WinVer to see your Windows version. So as you can see here, my Windows version is this one here, 19042. This is my Windows version. So this is a new Windows 10 features, but those who are having 1607, they will be able to have these features. So once you get that, or you can also check from command prompt here, cmd, and then enter, and you can write here just ver. So it will show you here the same version of this Windows. So here this version have to be 1607 and above or later. So they will have this WSL we call. So let's go to the control panel and on this version. So as you go to the control panel and then we go to the programs and features. Once you go to the programs and features, go to this turn Windows feature and on and off. So you come here and you will see that you just slide it down. Once you slide it down, you will see here one on the W. You will see here Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, so you just click this and then you enable that, and it will take some time. So you just have to wait, be patient and wait for this till you finish. So this is a good Linux based, like you can just directly use Linux in your Windows here, starting Windows Start in the apps portions, recently added portions that you will be getting there. So it is good for the programmer, backend operators, and if you want to practice some shell command or bash command, so you can do that. And it is very easy that you don't have to use a virtual box, you don't have to use VMware, all this. Of course this is a lightweighted and it is not graphical, but it is purely like a command prompt based, like, so you can do all the command and then you can just handle all those database and all that. So it is good for the developers and for the backend operators. And for those of you who want to who are fans of this Linux, so or Ubuntu, so by default this Ubuntu is the default for the Linux, for the Ubuntu. So now it is there now, so they are telling us to restart the system. So we need to quickly restart the system, and then we will fast forward this and then we will be back. So we have restarted our system. So now we will just open up our command prompt. You can just open that and you just write here bash. Okay, so when you type this bash, you will be given one here website. So we can go to the Microsoft Store and we can get the those Linux and all that. So we will just copy this one here. You can just copy the link. I will open the browser and we can go to this, just paste it here and press enter, and then okay, then Microsoft, yeah, this page will open. And now by default we have Ubuntu as default. So you have this option you can choose from. You can install any one of this, but as of now we will be going, because Ubuntu is one of the famous in the Linux. So we will just select this Ubuntu, and it is free, so but it will take some time to download this, but we'll just select this Ubuntu. Okay, and then it will start. But remember, during this time, like, you need to have the internet connection so that it will pull. So now we have to click this install. Okay, and this I can see here, it is app install Ubuntu 20.04 LTL release. Okay, so this latest one you will be getting, so we will install that. Okay, so the installation process will start. So this it will start downloading here now. Really will take some time, so don't worry, we will fasten this video, and once completed we'll be back again. and you can see here it is 453 MB in size. Let's say 54. So depends on your internet connection. If your speed is fast, it will not it will be done very fast. Okay, so now it is done. So now we can see that it has been installed, and so we can just launch that. Okay, so now installing this may take a few minutes. Installing is happened now, and this says that this will take some few minutes, so let's wait for that. So once it is done, we are good to go, that we can start installing the updates and all that. So we shall wait for this. Now it is finished install. So now they're asking the username, so just give a username. So here I'm going to give that Steve, and they will ask you a password, so give a password and then retype again. Okay, so now it has been updated successfully. So what we need to do now is like we can start updating. Okay, some update is there, and now you can see that it's already now ready to go. So let's close this, and I can show you now where you'll find that. So you can go to the start menu, and it is here. So you can just go and click from here, and you can start straight away. So it's a lightweighted, and it's a command prompt, like it's a pure shell base bash commands and all you can try out here. And for those lovers of this Linux, you must install this and try out. It's a very nice platform that Microsoft has done a lot of improvement for the programmers and for the backend operators. So let's see here. So like some command we'll just see ls. So ls we can see here. Okay, so that's okay. I'll just say ls. Okay, so that totally there is nothing here right now. So if I write this, now you can see that I'm in the home directory and the user is Steve here. So it's showing that right now. So we can also do some we can just tell sudo apt, and then we can say here get updates. So let's see, and then they're asking me the password, so just I've given that. And we can also download some update like this. So update is starting, and this will take some time. So but it's a good practice, like before you start anything, that if there is update and all, you just check it out and then do it, so that whatever is missing in this Ubuntu, and it will pull out from the cloud everything there, and later on you can start installing whatever tools you like. So it will take some time, so we will fast forward this video. Okay, so now it is done, and it is taking that 19.1 MB. So a lot of update has been pulled here. Let's see this command once again, and then just see the current directory that I'm using here. Okay, then we will also see that. Sorry. So now you can see some of the things here now. Okay, so you can also go something like let's see here, this C. Okay, so we can see here's the package, everything is here. Okay, so this, remember the default whatever Linux default store here, they will put everything here in the etc. So you have all these packages are here, so everything they will store up here. It is a default setting for the Linux, and in our case this is Ubuntu. So you can check that way, or you can also see, let's go to this home setting here again. Here we can see here. Okay, so here in the home settings I can check that there is nothing here, only Steve is there. Okay, again if you want to go back, you can go back this way. So here ls, so you can see in the here there is a bin, dev, home, all these things are available here right now. So now friends, in this way you can start straight away. So without much using of this virtual, like VirtualBox, VMware and all, you don't need to. Straight away you can use from the Windows 10 itself. So it's a nice features that Microsoft has tie up with this Linux, and we are so happy, and I'm sure that all the developers and backends operators, I think they are very happy, and it's a great help to them, so that they can do the things, the work faster. So guys, I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you. Please do like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to smash the bell icon. Thank you, and see you in the next video.